DC blue, absolute, roll-up garage door operator, identification of the product and runtime setup. Firstly, the control box has a grey cover and the decal indicates nice DC blue absolute. Secondly, the control card has an orange sticker which is DCB absolute. Thirdly, the operator has an orange sticker. Note that the product is not compatible with its predecessor, the DC Blue Advanced Roll-Up Garage Door Operator. We strongly advise making use of a 24 volt 3.5 amp hour battery. You can either make use of a sealed lead acid battery or a LiFePo 4 battery. To begin, we will start with the runtime setup. Note that this door is for demonstration purposes only. Same procedure as its predecessor. However, because of the absolute encoder, the operator no longer will surge into the open position when setting up the open position parameter for its limit. To begin, press and hold A and B for 3 seconds, buzzer beeps twice. Both LEDs are on. Press down once. For runtime, B is flashing once per second. Press and release A and B to enter. A is on. Now we will press and hold the open button, the up button. And in the video, you will see that I'm stopping it before the open position stopper. To save, press and release A and B to save. It will switch down to B with the LED is on. We will scroll down to the closed position and we will stop 15 to 20 millimeters from the floor. To save, press and release A and B. Note that positive close mode is default set to level 1. Just moving forward, I will press and release A and B and the profiling procedure will begin. Unit runs open and as we can see, no longer surges. Runs closed, stops at where I preset it and pushes down for positive close mode. We can either remain in program mode, where both LEDs are still on for additional settings, or we can wait for 20 seconds for the control card to time out, or we press and hold both A and B for 3 seconds, 1 beep, and we have successfully exited the program mode setting.